My name is Karla Ruiz, and we are at the Women's Club of Nashville. I have my kitchen here. I'm the exclusive caterer from the Women's Club. And the catering business, I started since 2010. I started cooking when I was little in Mexico. I watched my grandmother cook, I watched my family, 9 o'clock in the morning for the coffee, and then people come off the break time, and then to eat dinner, and then just to have a 6 o'clock snack. And it was people all the time in my grandmom's house. I used to have a lot of pieces for my dishes, and I having some leftover empanada dough, so I made it, and I was just amazing. So yeah, you can do empanada with leftovers, and it's just very, very good. So it's so easy. You just peel your peaches and just dice it and cook it with a little bit of water and sugar and cinnamon, and until it's low and it's thick. Let it cool. You make your empanada dough. Flour, lard, beer, and a little bit of salt, so 4 ingredients. And you do it in less than 15 minutes. I love to go to local farms. When I came here, for me it was amazing to see that we can cook Mexican food with local produce. That was just unbelievable. I just see those colors, and when I see all these vegetables together, I'm start creating our recipes. If I do gravy for chicken, I put a little bit of chipotle pepper. I do jalapeno or poblano pepper cheese grits. I just combine the southern with a little bit of my ingredients that you can find them local here, like jalapenos, tomatillos, onions, potatoes, cilantro. You can find all these products local, and you can cook Mexican food with that. So I think we have the same dishes, but different methods to cook or different names on the dish, but very similar. We can all work together. It doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter if you're from Mexico, from the United States. When you bring food at the table, that's an act of love.
En un día muy ocupado, se hacen como 1000. Bueno, a mí me gusta hacerlo, porque como eso de hacer las tortillas, pues